The publication, The Evolution of Benazir Income Support Program Delivery System, comprehensively documents BISP transformation, highlighting investments in digital technology that have enabled effective responses to emergencies. The second report, Mind the Gap, offers valuable insights into strengthening our data systems, particularly the National Socio-Economic Registry, NSCR. Here you mentioned the provinces becoming more responsible in this aspect. But I would like to state here that I am a true believer in the 18th Amendment and the devolvement of powers and the resources to the provinces. But there are certain things that need to be staying with the center. We are the architects, because I belong to a party that was architect and the supporter of the 18th Amendment. And we believe that provinces should become strong. But as the NSCR, as we talk about that, our database, that has to remain centralized. This is my belief, and we believe that a very strong database based in the center is a must. Because as we talk about the NADRA, the National Authority for Registration, that is only one. The provinces are not doing the registration. So the database should remain with the center. And like the other functions that BISP is doing at the moment, like the Nashunumaa and the educational support, eventually they can, if the provinces, when they have the capacity and the will to do it, they should take it over. But the NSCR should remain at the center. That would be my take on this issue. So as we move forward, our collective challenge is to ensure delivery systems